Hey guys, it's Nancy Ann, and today I have for you my 14th fix from StitchFix. Hello, thank you very much for taking a little bit of time to take a look at my latest fix with me from StitchFix. If you're new, I want to tell you welcome and thank you so much for checking my channel out. And if you are returning, I want to thank you sincerely. The support of my viewers has been a real boost to my self-confidence, I have to tell you. And I just love you guys so much. You are fantastic. Well, let me give a little rundown on StitchFix in case you have not used them before. StitchFix is a styling service. A stylist curates several items and then based on a profile that you fill out, and then they send that to your email box, the notification, and you go in there and you pick up to 5 items that you would like sent to you. If you do not pick 5 items, a stylist will fill in what you didn't pick out with additional items. The items that you didn't pick in that preview, they will go back. The stylist will not have those as an option. It will be assumed you did not like those. And I did not know that at first, and I didn't pick any because I liked them all and I wanted to let the stylist choose, and it turned out I lost all those items and she had to start over. So keep that in mind. The items are shipped directly to you. Shipping both ways is either free or counted in the cost of the items, depending on how you want to look at it. And there is a mailer that is addressed for you that is in the box with the items. You have 3 days to try the items on at home with your own clothes, of course, in the comfort of your own home, and see what you would like to keep for your wardrobe. The rest gets sent back in the mailer, and then you go online, you complete your checkout. Anything else? Oh, if you use my referral link down below, you will save $25 off of your first fix. That will get credited back towards anything that you purchase. I will also get a $25 credit, and I thank you in advance if you decide to do that. Those credits have helped me out so much in the past, and I always feel so blessed when somebody uses them. And I forgot, there is a $20 styling fee with StitchFix that is charged when you first order the box. And then when you go to buy something from the box, that $20 is credited back towards anything you purchase. If you don't purchase anything, you're out the $20. But if you use my referral link down below, it will cover the styling fee for you. So at least for your first box, you can just have a chance to see if you like it or not, and you haven't lost anything. So let's talk, first of all, about what I am wearing, the 3 pieces I'm wearing. And we're going to be able to do, I think, all of this in one fell swoop, because it's these 3 pieces plus 2 cardigans. So this is going to be, I'm not going to do as many outfit changes. So starting from the bottom up is this adorable little flat. I just saw the name of it. It's called the Jenny Flat. It is a gray. It's a heathered gray. It has a little bow on the toe and a pointy toe. I'm liking these a lot. They're feeling pretty comfortable. I did think when I took a walk out into the basement to talk to, outside the door, to talk to my husband a minute ago, that maybe they were rubbing the back of my foot, but I'm not so sure they are now. I really like them. Pointy toes, even though they can elongate the foot a little bit, tend to make those of us with larger feet, I'm a size 11, our feet look a little more narrow and kind of dainty. But here is the shoe up close. Isn't that cute? And then it's got a good tread on the sole also. Absolutely no heel. Almost flat as a pancake. But I know that square toes are in style right now, and they have been for a while. I think, well, hello, Ruger. He's venturing out. I think that's one of the worst things that you can do on a big foot, because when you square up the toe, you make and he's shaking. You make the front of the foot look wider, and it just enhances all the things you don't want to enhance about a big foot. And now let's just move up and onto the pants. I didn't think I would like these based largely on the color. I call this color mud. These are definitely dress trousers. I did pick all 5 items from my preview because I'm always in my preview thinking of how to make outfits to show you guys. And I have enough dress trousers and I have enough jeans, so I thought that this would work with what I had picked out. However, I'm not minding them too bad. I think the fit is pretty good. They might be a little bit snugger in the back than I would like, perhaps, but they don't feel like they're real restrictive. They're pull-on style. They have a wide waistband. They are not gapping at my waist, as you can see. So I think these are good pants. I wish they were half an inch longer, but it's not that big a deal. I don't mind the pants. I just wonder about the length. So I would love your opinions on that. And then we have this cute little sleeveless top. I'm trying to see, is it shirred on this? It is not shirred. It is just kind of like a high-necked tank or a shell that you would wear underneath sweaters and blazers, looking for my word, that kind of thing. It is black. It has an orange and a white print, which quite frankly has me thinking of Halloween, and I have a hair in my mouth. There we go. So orange is not really my color. It's not the predominant color on this. It doesn't make it look bad on me. I just don't know if I'm wild about the print because I think every time I looked at it, I would be thinking about Halloween. And it has a keyhole back. So I think it's cute. I just don't know that I would reach for it. So there's two cardigans that came in this fix, and one is this gray cardigan. I have to tell you that this cardigan feels like it's really good quality, and as I took it out of the box, instead of hanging it on a hanger initially while I was waiting to do the video, I actually put it over the rack just draped it, because I didn't want to pull it out of shape on the hanger. It's a nice heavy quality. I love the little buttons right here and the all the way around the neckline, the ribbing. I guess I should put it on for you rather than just show it to you like that. It would mean a lot more if it was on my body, wouldn't it? But I did want to show, this feels really quality. It's kind of a thicker type knit. It's not real thick, but it's definitely thicker than most of my lightweight cardigans. This could be worn outside on a fall day and keep me fairly warm here in Indiana. I'm going to take a look sideways in the mirror. Yeah, I think this is cute. What do you guys think? Nice long sleeves. It's got that same ribbing around the cuff. Be worn like that or pushed up. Folded up or pushed up, I'm sure. But anyway, there's the cardigan. I think this is cute, this little gray cardigan. There's the back, the length. I think it's a good length, a versatile length, definitely a casual feel to it. And it helps casual up this outfit a little bit. And I actually think it works with the brown pants because the gray shoes are down there to kind of tie those gray colors in. All right, and we have one more cardigan to show you. This one, the brand on this, I'm curious, is Fortune and Ivy. Is that a Stitch Fix house brand? Can somebody tell me? I don't think I've seen Fortune and Ivy anywhere but from Stitch Fix. However, I am definitely not super savvy on all that stuff. So this one, the brand is Evolution. It's my favorite color. It's burgundy. It also has a ribbed neckline and panel down the front. It's got a real pretty detail in the back. I just want you to see that before I put it on. I really like this. I love the color burgundy. It's kind of my comfort color. And I think it's so soft. Even though this is much lighter weight than the gray one, this is much more comfortable than the gray one. It just feels soft and warm and cozy. And as long as the price is good, I'm pretty sure this is going to stay with me. So I like the length on it. A lot of times I don't like ones that kind of hit around my hips, but this goes beyond my hips so it doesn't hit at the widest place. Really like that. Let me show you that back detail while it's on me. I love my cardigans. I wear them every single morning around the house, and then usually I wear them all day during the winter unless I'm wearing a sweater. So there we are. There's our 5 items from Stitch Fix. I'm going to pull you in close and we will go over some prices, that kind of thing, and see what we think about what I should keep. Let's see. So let's just start at the top. Okay, the Evolution by Cyrus Nikki textured back detail something in burgundy. It's just the sweater. This is a size medium and it is $74. That's a little pricey on a cardigan, but I really like the detail on this. And depending on what the price of probably the shoes is, I may hang on to this one. I like this and I've been wanting a burgundy cardigan. Then we've got the Mia Jimmy Flat in gray. This is size 11. This is $54.95. I really like these guys. Like I've said before, StitchFix tends to do pretty well with me in shoes. They have size 11. They're often very comfortable. It's rarely that I get a pair of StitchFix shoes I don't like them. And I am really trying to increase my shoe wardrobe because as size 11, it's really difficult to get cute, stylish, flattering shoes at reasonable prices. And that's not outrageous. So may hang on to that one too. The Fortune and Ivy Raiden Tab Detail Cardigan. This is so cute. What a pretty piece in gray, size medium. It's only $50. Now this surprises me that this one is $50 and this one's basically $75 because the quality on this one, this just feels like such a heavier knit. And also it's got that detail. I don't know. That's interesting. I don't need another gray cardigan right now, I don't think, but that is a really good price on that one. Then we've got the Tribal Fia bootcut trouser. I'm sorry, I didn't take these off, guys. I guess I could have done that for you so you could have got a closer up look of them. You know what? Give me just a second. I'll put my jeans on and I'll let you see these better. Here they are, up close and personal. So they do have the little tab pocket in the back. This is stitched close. Is that a real pocket or not? Not really. No, sorry. This isn't anything you would want to open up. It's just a design detail. It's not a functional pocket. And there's that waistband that I was telling you. It's pull on. Nice stretch. These actually felt very good. Not sure if I'll keep them or not. A pair of brown trousers added to my wardrobe wouldn't necessarily be a bad thing. I just don't know how much I would reach for brown trousers. Anyone who knows me personally knows that brown is just not a color I wear very often. So these are, let's see, the Fia bootcut trouser in brown. They're size 12, and those are $58. So that's a great price for StitchFix. I mean, for one of these boxes, that's fantastic. And then this is the Kayla, K-E-Y-L-A, ruching detail knit top. Does it have ruching? Where's the ruching, guys? I see no ruching. Do you see ruching? Is there ruching in the back? Where's the ruching? Did someone send me the wrong top? I'm going to check the brand in a minute. Anyway, they say this is black, size medium, $36. Hang on a minute. I'm going to take this top off and check the brand on it. I'll be right back. Aha! I found the ruching. It's right here. Maybe you already saw that. So that's a little bit of extra detail on this top. So this is the right top for $36. I think that's a really great price. Don't know if I'm going to hang on to it though because of that little orange detail. I just don't think it's much. It's something I would reach for in my closet, and it does, even though it's not blatant, it does feel a little bit Halloween-y to me. Alrighty, let's take a look at the total of everything. It's $272.95. The buy all discount of 25% is $68.24. That brings the order subtotal down to $204.71. If your styling pass is credited back, that brings it down to $184.71, which is not bad at all for 5 pieces from StitchFix. So what do you think I should keep out of this? The only 2 pieces I'm pretty sure I won't keep are the trousers and the shirt. I don't know that I need a gray cardigan, but the price on that is so cute and the styling is adorable, and I would wear it quite a bit. And I just love the burgundy one. The price gives me a little pause, but I love the color burgundy and I particularly like this. So I think that's probably staying. And I also love the shoes. So let me know what you think about that. If you could do me a great big favor and poke that like button for me, that helps me out a lot. And also commenting down below helps me, but it also brings me great joy. So please comment down below. I do try to reply to every comment made and I really enjoy interacting with you guys. And if you'd like to stick around for the long haul, you enjoy all sorts of different types of unboxings, reviews, try-ons, a little bit of lifestyle thrown in. Sometimes my husband and my dog jump in on the action. We would absolutely be honored if you would subscribe to our channel. And with that, I will let you go. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye and be blessed. Give me a minute. I'm going to let the dog out. You want to go out and see Dad? There you go. Is Daddy not there? Well, go find him. He'll take care of you.